Shopping for a bra online can be difficult if you're not sure what your true bra size is.
To make the job easier for you, we fit women in a variety of sizes using the fit guides from 15 bra companies in the US.
The result? Not one of the measuring methods worked for every woman, but there is hope. What we did find is that you can accurately find your band size using the chart we have provided, and you could find the correct cup size by simply putting on your bra you already own
And following our fit tests and suggestions.
Start by grabbing your favorite t-shirt bra and put it on. A unpadded bra works best as it won't add any volume to your measurements. When it comes to finding your true bra size, there are a few fit tests to follow. Straps. The straps provide additional lift to the bra and should stay in place and feel comfortable all the time. To check if the adjustments are correct, you should be able to slip no more than 2 fingers between the shoulder and the strap. If your straps are too long, they will fall off your shoulders, causing unnecessary adjustments throughout the day. If your straps are too short, they can dig into your shoulders. Cups. If your cup is half full, you probably need a new bra. With the right fit, the edges at the neckline and underarm will lie flat against the body. The cups should provide lift. If the cup is too big, there will be a gap between the breast and the cup. If the cup is too small, you will get an overflow of the breast at the top of the cup, neckline, and the underarm. Center gore. The center gore should lie flat against the body. If the center gore floats off the body, it may be an indication that the cup capacity is not enough. You may need to go up a cup size. Band. The band gives the primary support to the bra, and it should be level around the body. The band should feel snug but comfortable. If the fit is correct, you should be able to slip a finger under the band. If the band is riding high in the back, try the next band size up. To get your band size, you'll need to measure your underbust. Using a measuring tape, take a firm measurement around the rib cage directly underneath the breast. Make sure the tape measure doesn't slip down at the back. Hold it very firm and tight. Now you can find your band size on the chart below. Now that we know what bra size you need, head on over to the bras page and use the size filter on the left-hand side to see all the beautiful styles we have in your size.